Consider this an incredibly urgent public service announcement that you really need to take action on the minute this video ends. If you value your digital privacy even a little bit, you need to dive into your Google settings today, because a very quiet, under-the-radar update recently changed how the company handles your personal data, and it is far more intrusive than most people realize. Basically, Google has updated its privacy policies to allow the company to store significantly more of your personal media, and I am talking about your private images, your uploaded files, and even your personal audio and video recordings. Why are they doing this? To relentlessly train their massive artificial intelligence models. That is right. Unless you specifically jump through their hoops to manually opt out, any media you upload to Google search services is actively being digested by their AI. They pushed this massive change through back in June via a completely forgettable customer email, essentially opting everyone in automatically under the incredibly sneaky guise of giving you, the user, more control over your saved history and personalized recommendations. They introduced two brand new settings called Search Services History and Personalized Recommendations. But do not be fooled, this goes way beyond just the standard Google web search. This aggressively expanded data harvesting applies to maps, shopping, flights, hotels, Translate, and even Google News. Let us break down what this actually means in your day-to-day life. If you use the Google Lens feature on your phone to visually search for a product by snapping a quick photo of it, that image of your living room or your desk can now be saved and fed into their training data. If you use the new Search Live feature to ask a question out loud in the Google app, those intimate audio recordings of your actual voice are saved. If you are using Google Translate to practice speaking a foreign language, every single stutter and mispronounced word is scooped up too. This reflects a massive, terrifying industry-wide shift where tech giants are so desperate for fresh training data that scraping the public web is no longer enough. Meta is doing the exact same thing, mining users' private images and analyzing content recorded by their smart glasses. Google even blatantly admits this in their help documentation, stating that your saved media is used to develop generative AI models and is sometimes even reviewed by actual human workers. Thankfully, you do have some power to stop this. You need to navigate to your Search Services History page right now. You will see a specific checkbox labeled Save Media. You need to uncheck that box immediately, independently from the broader search history settings. You can also force Google to automatically delete whatever data they have already hoarded after 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. In the past, all of this was lumped together under the Web and App Activity settings. Google intentionally split them up. So if you previously locked down your web and app activity, congratulations, that protection no longer applies to your search media under this new update, because the new setting defaults to actively tracking you. Take 5 minutes today, dig into your settings, and stop giving the world's biggest advertising company free data to build their next trillion-dollar product.